So,
First time mo din, Mama Beth?
Yes. I saw only this in the Berbong.
4, 2, 1.
So here we are.
One time we went all naman, Mama Beth, sa
There's a
ano.
lot of people because there's a lot of car. So let's see. Because this is.
Yun, Deer Park.
So here we are, guys, in
We're going on
Hag.
vacation.
Oh,
Vacation ba dyan?
Hag. So
Or the Hag? Hag.
Hag. So welcome to Ter Park. So animals city stand Hag. Okay. So we going there, guys, inside.
Fabian, come in.
So here we are. So we're starting roaming around and we have to find where they are now.
Ada is Dimaka.
We will see if we can find because they have.
That is for the study.
Yes, so cute. Tigay. So cute mo, eh?
Hag.
Si Mr. Ernst Hobert. Hi! Ay, you're so cute! Pag si Rolius, kakausapin na to ni Rolius. Hoy, what are you eating? Oh, kinakain na niya yung ano. Hi! Flora. Con Flora. On she is. Oy, giburin oh. August. Oy,
Lino.
Oy, oh, month niya ngayon ah. Hot Givers Tag, August. Hi. Hello. Hi. What is your name? Hey. I'm the one. Hello. Hi. Hello. Guys, why are you hiding there? You don't go out? Huh? Are you lazy? Or you are tired? Are you sleepy? There's a camel. Hi. Ewan ko ano yung nasa kasubsob sa bibig niya. Ipin niya or whatever.
Paano ito na? Babato?
Ewan ko, kakaiba man siya. Hi. What is this? Huh?
Arte oh.
Oy? Oy. What is this? You wanna go up?
Camel.
Mhm. You wanna up? So we are now in the camel visiting where are from
Samira.
from China, Gobi de Mongolia, blah blah blah. August 2021. Hi. Hello.
Nirok sa kanya.
Sunga yata ang ngipin niya. Kagaya sa akin, dikit-dikitin. Kaya gayaan. So, hello camel.
The resting camel.
Relaxing lang kayo dyan. Madami kayong bisita today. So, Another animals we gonna see next.
Like a rabbit.
Similar in rabbit, but they are.
Yeah, but it's a little different.
Yeah, this is similar in rabbit. So, but they are have another different name. We'll see. So, the,
Pampas. Pampas.
uh-huh. Around there. Ah, may baby din siya. Monkey baby. Hello. Hi. So, there's also a lot there. Oops. Hello. Hi. The big one. So, there's a lot. Oh, they're playing.
They're fighting.
Diyan, naghahabulan. Sure. Okay. Oops, oops. Oops. Oh, ikaw ang taya. Ang mahuli taya. Ayan, ayan oh. Oh, sige. Ah. Ay, ganun. So, ang kukulit ng dalawang maliliit. Lagi naglalaro.
Die ganz da oben ist auch so vorne.
Alright, Ona.
Ah, da ist ein großer, schau her. Ui, da steht ein Handy.
Ich bin auch doof.
Da ist ein Handy vergessen. Spannend.
Wo ist ein Pinsel? Ja, war recht lang.
Achso, ja.
Kawawa naman yung mukha.
Ay, standing position. Ano yung minamarites mo dyan? Ay. Ay. Apat. Oo. Mayroon din doon, oh. Nagpa-araw sila. There are 3. Yung isa nagtago. Hoy. Hoy. Hi. Hi. So we are now here. Hi, there are a lot. Oi. We have many different. Oh.
Die right also, there is a...
You wanna go swimming? Huh? You gonna go in the water? Huh? Can I join you to go swimming? Huh? Huh? Uy! Uy! Drink. And then you go swimming. Everybody go swimming. Go, 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 go. Okay, go. Next one. Follow the leader. Ang lalaki ng mga isda doon, guys. Oh, kita mo yung mga itim-itim. Ang lalaki. And then, ang dami nila doon. Follow the leader. Okay. Okay. Mama duck, peda duck, 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 duck. So, yung mga fish. Ang dami. Ayan. Kasi may food. So, this is nice. It's cool. Yeah. So, you can buy flowers. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. You're so big.
He's hungry.
This meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Hi, meow 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 meow. Ming 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 ming. So it's beautiful view.
No, I think no.
Naghaharutan yung mga isda. Ang dami naman kasi nila, oh. It's a many fish. Oh, diba? Nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko, guys? It's a fish. It's a lot of fish. Huh? Nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? Ang daming isda. I saw them all. So you see? I see what I see. You see what I see. It's a lot. So we are here. The busing is already far away. So here we are. It's a waterfall. So we park here. Our chilling. So we are in the Sontagberg.
Although it's Freitag.
But today is Freitagberg house. Sontagberg. It's overlooking. So
We are already near the heaven. Near in the
Himmel.
Them-
It's a nice view. Look at the view, guys. So, this is the view.
Mas mababaw. Da naman yata mas ay pala ating ato. Ayun ang ating ato.
Here's the car. So, here we are in the top. Pero bakit parang ang labo ng camera ko? So sumarin niya yata yung camera. Kasi ayaw na rin mag-record. So, guys, nandito ka. Oh, the helicopter is down. So we are now here in Sonntagberg. So going na. Umaandar pa. Umaandar pa.
Oh, the Girl Scout is here.
The Girl Scout is present.
And the medical team is she's in white, so she's in medical team. I am the Girl Scout.
So we are in the top. So here is the other side. So we are here, guys, and then look at the another side, and then this the enggang. Ganda. So this is also beautiful. We are in the top of the world. We are in Sonntagberg. Yung mga cows, hindi naiinitan. 3 hours.
They like it.
They are in the sunshine, sunbathing.
They like the
Just
sun and
they
air.
just ignore the sun. It's hot or not. So they just enjoy eating the food. So naghakot ng tubig yung boiler.
We're in Alhardsberg.
So, and there's a lot of mais.